lower Woodland, which is probably about where we started with the Woodland Garden because it's close to the house. This was the easiest to start cleaning up. Also started to notice where the water runs. I'm sort of in a valley here, and I started to see how the water would track and leave the property. So really what was my trail was also probably the way the water wanted to flow. So it's kind of works out. But with that, I love the Japanese maples, and this has kind of become what Christine calls Maple Row. We've got a number through here. This is just a seedling, but it looks fantastic. We have lemon lime lace. I have a feeling this is a cultivar, but this was another rescue from Aaron's place. So it's unnamed, but it's a beautiful tree. It's another Higasayama. Again, here I can see all the great leaves. Waterfall, Kaiohime, Amber Ghost.
I think everybody is going to say the most remarkable thing is how you remember all of these names.
Yeah, it's well, I bet it's going to start getting harder. But it's just, I just love these trees. I mean, they're just kind of magical. And they just kind of complement and work together with each other. And carries on to the back. This is my oldest ukigomo. You can see the very white, almost white, variegated leaves. Emperor 1. It's Mukiyama. This is a coral bark, but I've never really seen really striking coral features on it other than the ends, but it's okay. I've seen that happen in other ones. It's just a nice tree. Favorite trees for fall, this is Elegans. It's a beautiful, graceful tree with, kind of wide-spreading lax leaves, but this really puts on display in fall. This is when this one shines the most.
And you're smart, you do keep lower branches. You do an extraordinary job pruning, too. Like, I don't.
Yeah, I do like to prune, and it's a bit of an artistic aspect, as well as, to control certain features. But here I kind of feel like these should come off, but it puts it right in my face. I can't. Until it wants to get rid of it, I can't get rid of it. So.
That's fair. So next up, we're going to go out front.
Sure.
Which is a different environment.
It's a very different environment.
And your minds are going to be blown from a whole different group of plants.
It's a different feel, for sure. So yeah, it's a little different, but it's nice because it gives me an opportunity to do other things,
You have a really vast plant palette.
Yeah, it allows the collection to be varied in a lot of ways and fairly expansive.
Yeah. So stay tuned for the part 2 of the Sabio's incredible garden tour, everybody. Thanks for watching.